In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create different styles of videos with Doodle Maker. By different styles, what I mean is you can create color, black and white, or mix and match style Doodle videos, again, using either our ready-made templates or the AI video translation engine, or even starting from scratch. I'll show you how to do it starting from scratch because it has the highest flexibility, so it'll make it more simpler to demonstrate this to you. So let's click on new project from scratch and let's give it a name. So let's say this project is for a corporate video as an example. And we wanted to do an explainer video or a doodle video for that corporation that we wanted to create it for that will educate their customers and prospects about their products and services, an example. What you do is right underneath to your right, you have these options right below the soundtrack. Yes, you can add your own background soundtracks and so on and so forth. You can also change the speech, language, and text, but right below it, you also have the scene background. Okay, so here is where you can create whiteboard videos, which is basically a whiteboard, and then you can create blackboard, or you can create glassboard, which is a reverse style video where actually the hand is writing the other way around, like a mirror effect. And then you also have custom color where you can actually choose what color you want it. This is especially useful if it's a blueprint style video like architecture type of videos, or even a green board or anything like that that you want to do, or even a branded company color theme that you wanted to pick. Or you can use the custom image option to drag and drop any image background of yours, and that will become the scene background. Now you have icon tabs. You have the black icon, colored icon, mixed icon. So what this means is you can create black and white doodle videos, you can create color doodle videos, or a mix and match 50-50%, which is 50% black and white doodle videos, 50% color doodle video assets which get pulled in. And you also have the hand styles, right? What do you want to pick here? These are all the other ones as well that are available. Now, the key thing that I wanted to mention here is all of this is in this step, but they can be customized later on as well, okay? So for instance, if we are to create a video for a corporation which basically sells, as an instance, baking supplies, or for example, food products, right? It's a food manufacturing company. So we can say we manufacture the highest quality products for you, okay? And then we can, that would be the slide. So then what we can do is just click save. And then now it created that whiteboard asset video, right? So now you can change every element here. So I can go back here and I can go to this section called backgrounds, and I can change this theme. So for instance, I can go back, click backgrounds, and then I go back to the same background. So let's say I want to make it a blackboard video. There you go. It changed that into white text, as you can see here, right? This changed into white. And then you can do glassboard as well. And then you can also do custom color. Let's say I want to do it as a blueprint style video and then change this over to white. I can do that as well, as you can see here. So that is something that is available for you to change backgrounds and so on. And you can also add your own image background and then add that in. Totally up to you. The flexibility is there. And of course, you can always use our library of options and then the hands as well that you can change as you go along. And this can be changed as well throughout the video. So, let me say I want to put this one. I can do that as well as the drawing option. So for instance, if I zoom this in, I'll show you, you can have this actually being drawn on the screen as well. Okay, so that's another option obviously that you can do. And lastly, you can also go to the library section and go to icons specifically and just say something along the lines of, say, an architect, because this is a blueprint style video. I want to add an architect in there. I can do that right now as well. And of course, I can change his color to it because that's one of these icons that's capable of doing that. And there we go. We can do that as well. And of course, you can go even a step further and you can add even more flexibility if you choose to do. For instance, let's say I wanted to put something along the lines of a building and want to do that. Well, you can do that as well. Or you wanted to put maybe quality as the word, which is good quality products, right? And you have that basically very good award-winning company or something like that. You can add these in there as well. One final thing I wanted to show you is you can do the same process for color doodle videos and mix and match color and black and white doodle videos as well. All you got to do is go to start from scratch and go to new project from scratch. And then after you do that, you go to the project title and then just put it. Let's say my project title is 5 ways to lose weight. Okay, simple and easy. And then let's say I wanted to create a color doodle video, and let's just put some slides here and I'll show you how this will look like, and then you'll get a better idea. Okay, and I'll give you a better understanding. So I put these 2 points, and let's say and then we also wanted to put for example, drink coffee and tea and make sure to eat slowly, and so on and so forth, right? Very straightforward. Then just when you go down here, make sure that you click on the colored icons. So once you do that, let me choose that. And then when I chose the color icon, and then I can do other customizations if I did, but I'll show you how this will look like. And again, this would be the same case for mixed icons as well. So for instance, let's try the mixed one so then you'll get an idea how it looks both ways. So then let's click save. And then there you go. So you see how we have here, we have the colored doodle icons, and then here we have the black and white doodle icons, and then again the color. So it's 50-50 mix because you have 50% this, 50% that. So that's another element. In the case of a pure color doodle video, you would have only these color examples and something else to replace these here as well. So that is the basic idea of how this works. So again, very straightforward. To summarize, I showed you how to easily create color, black and white, mix and match doodle videos. And I also showed you how you can easily change the background color of your doodle videos to blueprint style with a blue background, green background, glassboard, blackboard, whiteboard, and other customizations where you can even bring in your own custom background and add that in where you can draw things. And of course, everything is editable throughout the slide system so that you can add more and you can change more and so on and so forth. Hope this video helps.